First, remove the bezel. Next, remove the diffuser by turning anti-clockwise to unlock. Find the up arrow and rotate until facing the top. BESA box mounting. Side conduit entry and rear conduit entry. The cutout bezel feature aligns with any side conduit entry. Unclip and open the LED array. Insert the mains wire connection through the rear conduit entry. Connect the neutral wire, earth wire, switched live wire, and permanent live wire to the terminal block. Please note, permanent live is only to be connected when using the emergency module. Use the switch to adjust the power. Use the switch to adjust the CCT. Disconnect the output from the LED driver to the LED array. Clip the standard microwave sensor into the main housing. Follow the instructions to set the required sensitivity and hold time for the sensor using the dip switch settings. Connect the LED driver to the microwave sensor, male-female plug and socket. Connect the LED array to the remaining connector from the microwave sensor. Clip the emergency pack into position. Connect the emergency pack to the permanent live plug. Note that the permanent live wire needs to be connected at the mains terminal block. Close the LED array and clip closed. Add the diffuser and turn clockwise to lock into place. When the diffuser is locked, the holes line up, allowing a screw to be inserted to prevent tampering. Add the bezel and turn to lock into the notches. Switch the light on. After a few seconds, the light will switch off. Wave your hand to activate the sensor.